everybody. In this video we got a package from eBay. I believe this is a Slaymaker lock. I've never picked one of these before. I don't think I've ever even had my hands on one. Slaymaker Super. And this actually looks like a wafer lock. And I've never screwed around with one. So if it's a wafer lock, then you should be able to pick it pretty easily. And breaking from recent tradition here, this one actually has a key. So anyway, let's see if we can pick it. Pretty wide open keyway there, so we'll try a 50 thousandths pry bar. Get the scissors away before I hurt myself. Give that a try here. And we will try a Secure Pro. Three. Clicks on everything. Try again here. So click on one, some rotation. Actually nothing on two. Click on three. Yeah, just grab that pick because it's got the little notch out in it, but let me grab a regular Peterson hook here. I don't think I'm going the wrong way. It feels like it would open both ways. And I also feel like it was picked, so I guess we get to learn together. Pretty wild. That thing actually feels pick to me. Oh, there it goes. Needed a little bit deeper hook there to push that last one all the way up. Must be a, oh yeah, it's a real short one on the last one there. So kind of fun. Yeah, I think I paid $7 or $8 was all for it. So yeah, I guess I got $7 or $8 worth of fun out of it. Trying to now anyway. Oops. I wonder if I'm not even getting under that last one. There it goes. Alright, now I feel like I've gotten my $7 or $8 worth out of it. That'll do it for this video. It's a vintage Slaymaker Super. And I got a couple more locks sitting around here, so I'll be posting some more videos soon. And we'll talk to everybody later.